Hello and welcome to the video. Today I will be showing you the difference between division and floor division. As you can see, I have my interactive Python terminal open right now, and if I do some normal division, let's say 5 divided by 2, I get the result of 2.5, and this will always return a floating point number. However, if I do 5 floor divided, which is where you have the 2 slashes like this, divided by 2, I get 2. Now basically what the 2 slashes, the difference between that and just normal division when it comes to integers, is that with the 2 slashes, or which is known as the floor division operand, you're going to get the same number as with the normal division, but without any of the decimals. So it basically just takes the integer part and returns that integer. So as you can see here, we have the 2.5, this 0.5 bit here, that gets removed, and all that's left is a 2. I'll show you another example. Let's say we have, 13 divided by 4, so we get 3.25. However, if we do 13 divided by 4, we're going to get 3, because it just basically removes that decimal part. Now, the same is true pretty much for floating point numbers. Let me give you an example just so I can show the difference. Let's say we have 5.6 and we divide that by 3. You can see we get that number. And if we do 5.6 divided, just call it the floor division operand by 3, we get a result of 1.0. So it does the same thing as what we were saying with floor division with integers. Basically just removes the decimal bit over here, and it just keeps that integer part. However, the only difference between this integer division and floating point floor division is that it will make sure that this result is a floating point number. So as you can see here, it retains 0.0 to make sure that it still floats. And yeah, so hopefully this helps. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something today.